Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. Today in this video I'll unbox and review the Mini-O-Grabox February 2019 edition. As you all know, it's very affordably priced at Rs 279 including shipping if you pay online, and if you go for a cash on delivery it is charged Rs 75 extra. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the package has reached me, and this time they do have a box, which I do appreciate. It's definitely an upgrade. So the box has their name and website address mentioned, and that's all we have. Normal brown cardboard box. And inside we have this card that says February Mini-O-Grabox, and we have a pouch or packet like this with all the products. So the first thing I see here is this Cosmetofood Organic Cosmetic Chocolate Mousse Skin Soother for all skin types. It says one application stays for 48 hours, moisturization. Tastable, it's so organic you can even taste it. It's a 20 ml size. Cost of it is 249 rupees. So a luxury product, I would say, expires in 11/20/21. And here are more details about the product, the ingredients, etc. Well guys, this is the exact product that we have in February Fab Bag as well. And Fab Bag is a very old veteran in subscription box industry. So Grabox being so affordable, getting such brands is definitely a big thumbs up from me. Let's open and try this. So guys, this is how the product looks like. The texture is very smooth and like a mousse kind of texture. It's like the perfect balance in between lotiony and creamy consistency. And delicious chocolate fragrance, and it's very nourishing. You can see my hands are immediately hydrated. It gives you an immediate shine. This is for your face, so you can apply it all over your face like a moisturizer. It will give you an illuminated or glowy look, and I'm really loving the fragrance of this. Then the next skincare product is this Pack On Herbal Hair Mask. They always send a mask, and this time they have sent a hair mask, which is again very good, worth 250 rupees, and the directions and the ingredients are mentioned here. You have powder form of Amla, Rita, Shikakai and Bhringraj. Oh my god, this is going to be so awesome. I know that these ingredients are very good for your hair. So getting a hair pack with 100% of these ingredients is definitely very good. I'm really happy with this one too. And the last skincare product is this facial mask in the aloe vera variant. It says it lightens dark spots, hydrates moist, and it's anti-wrinkle, 20 grams. So this is not a sheet mask guys, even though the packaging looks like that. When you read the directions here, you can see that this is like a gel based mask. So you can apply it on your face, leave it for some time and then peel it off. So it is a peel off mask. I'm definitely looking forward to trying this one. I hope this will be a moisturizing mask. So after these we have makeup products. The first makeup product is this Maliao Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's a 4.7 ml product, decent sized. Here are more details about the product. And it's a Hong Kong based brand. Well, this is a liquid lipstick and that is the shade I have received. I really like the shade guys, but the shade will be sent randomly. I have seen a post on their Instagram profile and they have shown all the different shades. So they do have some very light shades as well. So you can't be sure that you will get a shade that will suit you. But I'm really happy and feel lucky that I've got a shade that I like. So although I'm happy with this one, this product might make you very happy or not. But for a price tag so affordable, I mean, I can't ask for more. I'm definitely happy. If they can introduce a shade choice, it will be amazing. But nevertheless, I don't have any complaints. I really like the shade. As of now, it's not completely dry, but I'm sure it will dry to completely matte finish. So let's wait for that. But as of now, I can tell you guys that it's very creamy, very pigmented. Just a single swipe, you have amazing color payoff, and it does take a little bit of time to dry. The next makeup product we have is this eyebrow pencil that comes with this brush as well, and this is a black eyebrow pencil. This is how the swatch looks. Well, I don't use black eyebrow pencils. Probably I'll gift it to someone. This is the MN Generation 2 eyebrow pencil. If someone uses a black eyebrow pencils, I'll give it to them. The reason I don't use black is because it looks very loud, so you have to apply this with very light hands. But there are many people I know that use black eyebrow pencils, so it will be useful for them. And finally, to complete the box, there is a piece of jewelry as well. So this is basically a pom-pom necklace, a multi-layer necklace. It has multi-layers golden chains with each layer having a pom-pom, this colorful pom-pom, and the last layer has this tassel. Well, again, this is not something that I would like to wear, not my choice, but I think teenage girls would love this. It's colorful, it's vibrant, and it's definitely very funky. I like more of dainty and sophisticated jewelry, and this is not my style. Nevertheless, I think I'll gift it to someone again. Quality wise, it seems good, guys. The chain quality looks good. So yeah, these are all the products in the February Mini-O-Grabox. Let's have a look at the pricing details. The hair mask we read as 250 rupees and also the Cosmetofood product for 249. The lip cream is mentioned as 200 rupees, eyebrow pencil as 81. Necklace as 200 and aloe vera mask as 120. So the total worth comes to 1100 rupees and you're getting everything at 279 including shipping. So definitely savings wise, it's great. My personal favorites are the hair mask and this Cosmetofood product. I really like them. I'll definitely be using them. Even though I'm not a hair mask person, the ingredients in this are really good. So I will be using them. And I'm really happy with the shade I received for the lipstick. I did like it. If you get some other shade, I'm not very sure whether you'll like it or not. But this one I got, I'm happy with that. So now it has dried, so I can show you the final finish, how it looks after drying. It's not very drying on lips, I can say that. It does try to completely matte finish, but it's a soft matte as the name says. It's not very drying, so I do appreciate that as well. So that's all for today's review. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. If you're interested in buying it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.